place apart. We're getting mobilized right now. We got one of the lifts getting around out back right now. I'm about to start lugging that staging over here, getting that set up, and then start cutting into this house so we can get the stucco removed and then replaced with some good wood probably. And first coat of stucco today is what we're hoping for. So let's get it done, have some fun. We're done working at the condo association, so the easy days are over. Let's get dirty and get to it and do it. Yeah, buddy. So now it's just cutting all this shitty stucco into sections so it's easier to remove into big pieces. And then I'm gonna throw it down there, and then we're gonna rip apart all this wood. So let's get it done. I don't know why I got myself into this project before I leave to New Hampshire, but as you can see, the first area that I removed, you can see the fucking drywall on the inside with the electrical. So, big, huge can of worms. Let's get it done. So we have been taking apart this whole entire wall is what it has turned into. As you can see, we have stripped this whole fucking thing. So me and my man over here getting it done. We got a little bit more to do. Big repair over there on the other side. And getting it done. So yeah, buddy. Well, you can see that it turned into a lot more than expected. So more or less, we kept chasing the wire mesh to where it was good, and it never got good. So we got a little bit of waterproof wrapping to do tomorrow, replacement of plywood to do today, wire mesh, first and second coat, and more or less, we just got a lot of work to do. So let's keep plugging away. Happy on Fun Day Sunday, everybody. Hope you're having a little bit of fun, because we're over here doing a little bit of work. So got a whole bunch of this removed yesterday. We got a little bit more to remove, but we gotta fix this area of wood. After that, we're gonna waterproof wrap everything, wire mesh, and then try to do some stucco. So let's get it done and have some fun. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. We are working on getting this place all hung with the wire. So more or less, we got a little bit more to do over here, but we're moving right along. We got everything removed, Tarvex waterproof wrap, and now we're hanging the mesh. So let's get it done, have some fun. Yeah, buddy. So it's Monday, and this weekend we have gotten all of the stucco removed off of this wall, all the Tarvex waterproof wrap hung, and wire mesh, and corner bead around the windows. So more or less, I got this problem area of rotten wood where I'm going to be installing some new plywood now, and then continuing with this process. Seeing how one of the lifts was down and broken, I can only get to this area. So we're going to get all the rest of this situated, and then I'm going to have to start applying stucco throughout this whole wall. So we got some work to do before we go to New Hampshire, and let's get it done. Have some fun. Yeah, buddy. All right, well, it's Tuesday, and we are just getting ready to start applying this stucco to this wall. So we got everything back reinstalled, all the wire mesh, all the corner bead, and everything's ready to rock. I'm about to have some fun and get it done and start getting it applied. So let's do it to it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. We are getting everything looking good over here. 30 feet up in the air. So we are working our way right down along this wall and getting things tightened up. So let's get it done. Have some fun. Yeah, buddy. We are just getting done with our first coat over here with the stucco repairs on this wall. So we'll be back in to start applying the second coat and getting this place sponged in. Looking good. So let's get it done and have some fun tomorrow. Alrighty, me and the amigo, we're getting this place hosed down so we can start applying our second coat. So we got our lift to where it needed to be and getting ready to rock and roll. So let's get it done and have some fun. Yeah, buddy. We got our second coat on this area and I'm just getting it sponged in. And as you can see, big difference from first coat and second coat. So I'm sure the homeowner's gonna be happy. And let's get it done, have some fun. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, so we are just getting on this last little bit of our second coat, but as you can see all up here, it is looking good. So, just getting it done, having some fun, putting this place back together again. So, let's do it to it, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, it is looking good over here, I tell ya. So, got a little bit more to do, but we are looking good. So, let's get it. Yeah, buddy. And that is the last of it for today. So, more or less, we got this whole wall on with the second coat, troweled in and then sponged. Tomorrow, I will get this one area underneath this window that is remaining and another small patch out front, but look out the park and we're looking good over here. So yeah, buddy. Alrighty, well, it's Saturday and a few swear words later and a lot of hard work and this job is done. So it's taken 8 days continuous to get it done and finished up, but we started it last Saturday and today we're going to be finishing up. So I got the staging to break down, get loaded up, and finally we're ready to start gearing up for New Hampshire, like bike week, and see the old man. So let's get this done, have some fun. Yeah, buddy. Well, I must say, for one guy to be able to lay this whole wall on in the Florida sun, keep it in control, and get it all sponged in and looking beautiful like that, I had to give myself a little pat on the back. So nothing like leaving good work and something that you can put your name on. So something to be proud of. It's a good job right there. Yeah, buddy.